Have you ever wondered what separates those who succeed in life from those who don't? What makes one person's standards and expectations for themselves the driving force behind their success, while others settle for mediocrity? Why does one person strive to leave a lasting impact on the world, while another is content working their entire life for someone else? Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with working for someone else. But why does one individual challenge themselves to become an overachiever and actually achieve, while another just talks the talk but never walks the walk? I believe the answer is simple. One has determination and ambition, while the other does not. Ambition fuels motivation, and motivation drives success. But where does it come from? Is it something we're born with? Something we learn? Or can we actively inspire ourselves to achieve greatness? Welcome to Innovation Information, a psychological self-improvement channel dedicated to exploring motivational and inspirational topics that high-achieving, success-driven individuals use daily to stay on top. Every week, we'll dive into powerful strategies, transformative mindsets, and game-changing insights to help you break past limitations and step into your full potential. If you're ready to take control of your future, level up your thinking, and push past mediocrity, you're in the right place. Because here at Innovation Information, our motto is simple. What we know together, we grow together. Let's grow in wisdom, let's grow in knowledge, and let's help you reach those goals.